Welcome home to this beautiful single-family home with main-level living and a saltwater pool. An entertainer's dream home, this property features not only a private pool, but a concrete patio with wiring for a hot tub, a fire pit, and space for a grill. Imagine your summers here with large groups and get-togethers cooling off on the holidays under the hot sun. The basement is fully framed and duct work run for another room, bathroom, utility room, and family room. It just needs finishing touches. The master bedroom features a sitting room to have privacy for a home office or a private lounge and sits on the opposite side of the home than the other two bedrooms, offering peace and quiet. Do you love water activities? There is access to Lake Pelham down the street where you can kayak, canoe, paddleboard or boat. Just minutes from downtown Culpeper, you'll be able to enjoy local farmers markets, a classic movie theater, stage plays, and various diners, restaurants, and shopping options. A short drive to the mountains allows for more hiking, caving, and outdoor fun. Recent updates to the home include interior painting, ceilings, walls, doors, and trim, April 2022, full carpet replacement, April 2022, water heater replacement 75-gallon, March 2022, newer fridge, 2018. Full list of updates and a copy of the home survey are available upon request.